So in this video we will create a thumbnail of our YouTube video from AI. So first of all, go to POPAI Pro and there is an option of AI image. If you click on this, a lot of option will be appear. You have to click on daily 3 image generation. If you click on this, it will ask to sign in. I will sign in with Google. Now you have to choose your Gmail to sign in. Click on continue. So now you have successfully logged in. So now if you click on this daily 3 icon, you have prompt to write. Here you can type a title of a YouTube video. The prompt I wrote is that make a thumbnail from a YouTube video which title is. Now go on YouTube and just copy the title of a YouTube video and paste it here. Now click on enter and it will generate a YouTube video thumbnail in a few seconds. So now the YouTube thumbnail is created by OpenAI just in a few seconds, and this is how you can create a thumbnail for your video automatically.